Frenzy!
And they're just shitting all over the place.
Yeah.
They are literally shitting all over the place. You can see it just falling out of them.
I know you can hear it hitting the ground too.
These birds down on the ground must be hating life.
Well, they're eating the...
Jesus.
They're eating the ones that have fallen out of the tree already. There's no more caterpillars. Oh, thanks, buddy. Pretty
yeah,
cool.
don't go out there. It's too city.
Yep. Dang, look at them all.
Look over here. It's like an episode of Birds.
I don't know if they'll pick it up. I think it's too bright over there.
Too bright?
Yeah. Pretty crazy. Lola is freaking out. Oh, there's a box. Lola! What are you doing?
Come on.
What's this Birdums doing? Man, that's crazy Birdums.
Look out, you're about to get hit by shit.
Yeah, you're about to get pooped on, sweetie.
Of course, they're supposed to be lucky.
Yeah. Lola, stop eating the grass. Where are we going to move that box, by the way? Yeah, I'm not filming.
It's going to be burnt.
Oh, okay. Once the burn ban gets lifted.
Yeah.
Man, it's loud out here.
Hey, come on.
Come on!
You about to get pooped on.
Yeah, really? Yeah, I get her going.
Come on.
Like, run!
I had to say poop and I did poop, I think.
Alrighty. Bye-bye! All the birds are at the top of this tree. I don't know if you can see them or not. Probably not. They're loud as all get out. Okay. And they're pooping on everything. That's not cool. Eating all the caterpillars. Ah! Okay, I'm gonna get pooped on. Hey, Spiky.
Supposedly that it'll rain in the couple days.
I have no idea.
Congregate like that.
Well, they're just eating. I don't know what it means. Spike. Aw, there's the ninja. Hi, ninja. Hi, Ninja Kitty. Oh, now you're on top. Hi, Spike. Man. Hi, Spiky. Bye, Spiky. Ninja. He's so cute. Oh, oh, oh. Another box to throw away. Aw. Just the lovely babies. He's so pretty. He's so pretty too, Ninja. I'm gonna get all the kitties on film today. That's my goal. You gonna get them you gonna get them birdums. Get them birdums. Says, yeah, buddy. How about you, Spike? Hey, Spike. Look at her. She looks like a mountain. Oh, I'm sorry. Just look at your big butt. Spike. She looks like a mountain.
Yeah.
She's too big. She needs to lose some weight. I'm not little Ninja though. Him's a perfect size.
Ninja's like, I'm sick.
Hi, Ninja. That's right. He's spelled. He likes that word. Him so good too. Him says I love the lovin's. Yeah, I love him so much. Hi, Spiky. Hi, Spiky.
Tomorrow, when we go to the farm,
Hi, Spiky.
Judy.
Uh-huh.
Hey.
Stop, I'm listening. Okay, I will. Hey, Spike. Man. Look how big you are. You're too big. Why don't you exercise more? Exercise more, eat less. That's what you need to do. Yeah. And don't laugh at people. Don't have it, people. It's nobody likes you. Come here. And little Ninja being so good. Yeah, seems a good boy. Said I'm gonna watch, make sure no bird gets through the door. Like he said, I'm gonna take a nap. Alright, let's go find your mommy and daddy, Spike. Hey, Spoonie. Not one of Spike's parents, but still a good kitty. Hey. Hanging out here in the kitty room. Yeah, you listen to the birdums too. Oh, so lovely. Yeah, be pretty. Whoosh. Spoonie is man, it just suddenly got quiet. Spoonies are antisocial kitty, and that's okay. She hates all other kitties, and the dog, and the camera, apparently. Scout! Hey. Oh, pretty baby. Well, I wanted to get Scout doing something more interesting than laying around, lay back down, but that's all he does, is lay around, and that's okay. Him's old kitty. Yeah, him's old. Oh, him's so good though. Yeah. So this is what he does, because he's 9 years old, and that's pretty old for a kitty. He just sleeps in the bedroom. Loves on stuff. Thank you, kitty. It's very nice. Yes. Yes, I'm sure my finger was very dirty. Here, you want to lick on my finger? You want to sneeze on it? Okay. Sometimes he likes to get into fights with Ninja. Well, play fights. But that's about it. Scout a miss. Lay down. Okay. He's so pretty. Yes. Be pretty for the camera. He's very good as long as you keep paying him. He's a good kitty. And he kind of likes Lola. I mean, he gets along with her. But, he's not her biggest fan. Yes, that's me petting you. So, and this blanket's on here mostly for him because he sheds a lot. But it's okay. Him's my baby. Yeah. Him's mama's baby. Oh, yeah. Anyway, he's good. Oh, there's his skill. He makes muffins. I don't know why we call this making muffins, but we do. And he's good at it. So talented. Hey, Cal. Whoa, what was that, huh? You wanna play? Oh. Yeah. He's still funny sometimes. You just have to aggravate him enough. You gotta be careful too, because he has wicked sharp claws. That's alright too. Oh, what was that? What was that, huh? You gonna get it? Okay, he just really pounced my hand hard. Ow! Ow! You gonna get it? Well, you messed it up so nobody could see you. And your pretty face. Oh. Yeah, you gonna get up. Alright. So, anyway. Scout is Spike's daddy. Like, biological daddy. But he's big alpha cat. And he's my baby. Alright, gonna go try find Wu-Tang. I'm sure she's sleeping somewhere, because that's what she does too. So here's Wu-Tang. And she's eating. Shocker. That's all she ever does. Oh, and she's gonna glare at the dog. That's cool. What you doing, Woody Woo? That dog disrupting your eating. You gotta really focus on it. Alrighty then. As you can see, she's very fat. And there's a stain on the carpet, and that's okay. And, yes, very fat, but a good kitty. And, that stain's nothing gross, it's just kitty. Where a kitty got sick, but that's okay. This is a kitty room, and they're allowed to make a big mess out of it if they want. As you can see, she's totally not impressed. Come here, Woody Woo. Oh, come here, Woody Woo. Nah, she's camera shy. Plus Scout's right here. See, we have the baby gate and then Scout. Okay. Oh, and that's there for the kitties to jump. Because, as you can see, some of them are fat and they're getting old and it's hard for them to jump. Wu-Tang. Hey, Woody Woo. Okay, no, not Scout. Woody Woo. Oh well. So anyway, that's Wu-Tang. She's also old, 9, Spike's biological mommy. And she gets along with pretty much everybody. Except for Lola, because Lola mistakes her for Ninja a lot, and then she gets like licked on and she does not appreciate that. Do you? Okay, she's bored with us. Alright, fine, we're leaving. Lola! In the house. Cause she's a good house dog. Yeah, likes to watch TV, sitting right there, watching TV. Oh, what, you gonna be shy now? On ginormous television. Yeah, she's shy. So let's show him your trick. Shake! No, not sniff. Shake! Yeah, good puppy. Hey, high five! High five! High five! High five! Come on, high five! Come on, high five! Oh yeah! Oh yeah, it's like a shake, but it's not. Okay, lay down. I think you kind of cheated, but that's okay. Yay! Pitbulls and Pirellis! Yay! We like the show. Yeah, we like the show. Oh, behold, the vicious pitbull! Rawr! Rawr! What are you doing? Burrowing into mommy. Alright, well, that's Lola. Hey. Hey. What are you doing? Say bye.